Okay, so first up we have a suitcase carry. So very similar to a farmer's carry, but this one, the weight is offset. So you just have a weight on one side. You're using your core, you're squeezing your glutes to keep that weight from pulling you to the side as you walk slow and steady, trying to keep an even posture. The second move is more of a mobility movement. It's your deep squat. We're adding in rotation. A lot of the time spit in your deep squat when garden lead, so good to get comfy there. The next move is a single arm deadlift. So we're intentionally offsetting the weight, so you have to use your core to stay squared up and try to avoid that rotation, strengthening glutes, quads, core, lats. The last move is a kettlebell overhead press, holding the kettlebell goblet style with the weight tight to your chest, pressing that weight over your head, getting your head out of the straight up and down bar path, keeping your core braced, tailbone tucked.